I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting pretty hungry. Hungry for some videos. Welcome to the Hub, where we're showing you the most wacky and wild food concoctions floating around the internet today. Stay tuned to see what crazy thing this guy put inside of a deep fryer. It's time to chow down on some videos. Here's an Italian restaurant that puts 35 little cannolis inside of one giant cannoli. That's right, a cannoli is an Italian dessert that's just deep-fried bread with cream cheese filling and lots of sugar. This is a cotton candy burrito that's filled with Fruity Pebbles and sprinkles and M&Ms and marshmallows and ice cream and pretty much everything on God's good earth. Don't have much of a sweet tooth? Well, maybe you'll enjoy this savory burrito. It's a hot dog with a hamburger wrapped inside of a pretzel bun. I don't know why it exists, but I desperately want one. A little behind-the-scenes magic at the Krispy Kreme factory, where they make those beautiful glazed donuts. As you can see, they get fried, and then they get cooked right in there, and then they go through a beautiful sugary glaze that gives it that Krispy Kreme shine. I've actually had one of these before. It is 2 glazed donuts used as buns on a bacon cheeseburger. It was surprisingly delicious. On the go, we'll head to Chicago and try taco in a bag, which puts all the taco ingredients and desserts you could ever want inside of a bag of chips. This man is about to deep fry this ice cream. He put it inside of a soft dough shell, and then he put it inside of the boiling oil and takes it out, and well, there you go. What's even more unhealthy than deep-fried ice cream? How about deep-fried pizza here at a food festival in Texas? I don't know if I would actually want this, but this guy seems to enjoy it. Here it is, the creme de la creme. It is a cinnamon roll from Cinnabon that is about to be deep-fried from this man's batter. Oh, God, can you imagine putting this in your body? Yes, I can. It's a dream. Please, somebody make it come true. This is something you can get at various movie theaters across the country now. It's called Cheeto corn. It's popcorn with Cheetos in it. I had it last weekend. It blew my freaking mind. I want to give a big shout out to Caleb Hart, who says he's turned on notifications, and Shadow Ling, who has turned on my mom's notifications. Who put that in? Let us know in the comment section which food you thought looked the most tasty today. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon right back here on The Hub.